Today we will install front LED headlights for this 500 Abarth. Not only will these front headlights give your 500 a modern and aggressive look, but they'll also increase your nighttime driving safety. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside you can find, of course, two of these headlights and also these cables that you can use for a plug-and-play installation. These headlights are a completely new design. They are compatible with all Fiat 500 and Abarth from 2008 to 2024, equipped with the original halogen headlights. But how they are made? LED projector integrating low and high beams. Of course, completely full LED. Dynamic LED turn indicators, LED daytime running lights, connect easily with the fuse F16. All materials are premium quality, the lens is precise and durable, and the design is sleek, modern and elegant. And these headlights are full A57 certified. It means they are road legal across Italy and Europe. They look fantastic, right? But above all, they improve safety and visibility at night. A common question we get is, are these headlights easy to install? Yes, they are plug and play, require zero coding. Just connect them and you're ready to go. But I'll show you soon how to install them. In general, we advise our customer to install them at their body shop or mechanic because you have to remove the front bumper, and that operation is not that easy. But if you have good manual skills, you can do that alone. Let's start the installation. Okay, we installed the full LED front headlights by Demax LED, and as you can see, they are really beautiful. Now position lights are turned on. Now it's the moment to test the new full LED front headlights at night. They are good during the day, the exterior is very good with the DRL, but during the night they are 100 times better. When you are driving and you turn on low beam, they are very strong and powerful. And you can see it's very different from halogen lights. And when the road is very dark, we have also the supplementary high beam, and it gives you a powerful light that goes straight into the road. These headlights don't just upgrade your car appearance, they completely transform your nighttime driving experience. If you are asking how how to adjust them. It's very easy. You can work directly on the product, just adjust the horizontal and the vertical line. These front LED headlights are compatible with all Abarth and Fiat 500 from 2008 to 2024, with both halogen and xenon original headlights. They are also compatible with right and drive vehicles. You can find them on our website, Demax LED. I leave you the link in the description and in the first comment. The shipping is very fast across all Europe. We ship directly from our warehouse in Rome. Okay guys, we are at the end of the video, and I want to say thank you if you are watching until now. Just follow us on Instagram and stay updated, because we will release new products.